Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's just unlock the SIM card here, and let's just unlock our device. After that, we should open the settings app, and after that scroll down to the security section, then scroll a little bit down and tap to SIM card lock. Now just click once on the switcher to and enter the PIN code. In my case that's from 1 to 4, then just tap to OK, and now we can see that our SIM card is successfully unlocked from SIM pin. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.